this is me, Mercy, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you are always updated to my upcoming videos.
Can you see the light in the sky? Oh, that is my little gift for your life. Many times when I close my eyes, I hope you can hear the sound from my mind. If I can meet you in night's light, not living your life, but you forgot. I still need you, I still care you, I still love you. Oh, please give me a second chance to know that you leave. Please forgive me, 'cause I still need you, I still care you, I still
Yeah, man, that's the problem. I'm just here to get out.
Fasten your seatbelt. Fix your seatbelt. The instructor is very strict. What shall I do next? This one, right? And then D. And then start.
Slowly, slowly. This is your line, not that one.
I press this?
No need.
Oh.
You focus your driving on the left.
Do I need to have the brake?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Then I go straight.
Yeah.
Brake right. Slowly.
Slow, slow, slow. Brake. Slow, go there. Again you doing like this. You see where your car going?
I'm going.
Right. Just normal like this only. Slow. Brake. Let's go. Why are you putting this there? Your right side. Left side not working. Slow.
You don't know the feeling of the person that just start where I go here.
Brake. You know, see, you are coming here, you know, watching left, no right. Right. Must watch left and right. Yes, don't do like this, don't do like that. Slow like this, slow like that. But you see the movie Fast and Furious only.
Gago, because I saw the car here there.
Det var helt förfärligt.
Slow, move. Slow.
Slow, okay.
Yeah, now. Slow the right side on now. Don't do lot. You see, you are coming on your line only. Let's go. Now again left only. Slow only. Left side move now. Just normal only. See? Where are you going?
Practice only.
Right. this side. Where you going? That is other people's side. Your side is this one only. Where you see the arrow, this is your line. That is other people's line.
Masungit si boss.
Huh? Good job. Now see you better.
I stop. I'm done with my driving lesson. My teacher is very strict, you know. He's scolding me a lot. Why you're doing fast and furious?
I know I would be nothing without you. So lean on me whenever you have to.
Guess what we bought on the road? Pure sugar cane.
I love you more than I can.
Tikman natin. Sarap. Sidap! Banyak sidap. Banyak sidap. Pure sugar cane. Super tasty. Very nutritious. Hey guys, we're going back home. Alisin ko muna yung mask ko. That's all for today. We're done to our driving lesson. So, see you to my next vlog. This is Mercy. And if you are the new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you.